Hi, this is Anushka Wani, digital editor for Efficient Manufacturing magazine. And today we are at India's largest retail fixtures manufacturing unit, in-store. Have you ever wondered who makes the retail fixtures in any supermarket that you go to? When you pick up your essentials from the shelf, do you know who makes these shelves? We are here to find that out. So join us in this journey.
Hello, I'm Ritika Mehta, the director of InStore India. InStore India is the leading manufacturer of retail store fixtures and movement solutions in the country. As you know, the retail industry is divided into organized and unorganized. We are the largest manufacturers for the organized and the unorganized sector, and we are also the first organized manufacturing facility for the retail market. InStore has always been at the forefront of integrating and adopting new technology. This not only makes our products very efficient but also scalable, that allows us to reach global standards. At InStore, we process more than 600 tons of metal every month, and which is why I can proudly say that we are the pioneers in the sheet metal industry. Innovation is at the heart of what we do. Our R&D department is the largest dedicated to retail fixtures, constantly exploring new materials, designs and technologies. This focus on R&D has positioned us as industry leaders, always staying ahead of the curve and setting new trends in retail design. We boast the largest library of retail fixtures in the country, with 80,000 parts and products, offering a vast array of options for our clients. We always try and ensure that they find the perfect fit for their specific needs. This extensive range reflects our deep understanding of retail dynamics and our ability to cater to varied market requirements. We provide free of cost layouts and consulting. This helps customers to optimize space and increase profits per square feet. Layout, designs and consulting are free of cost irrespective of the size and type of store. So whether it is a high-end brand store or a small kirana outlet, our approach and services remain the same. InStore has covered more than 10 crores square feet of retail space, and we are very happy to share with all of you that we've also covered more than 10,000 stores. The vision behind the showroom was to give our customers a live experience about how their store is going to look and feel. Here our customers come and they see the products come to life and they imagine how their store is going to look. Now I'd like to take you on a walkthrough of our showroom to tell you what InStore is all about, show you the different segments that we cover and our product range. Please come. So first we start with the trolleys. Any store you enter, first you pick up your trolley. You decide on the size of the trolley. We do metal trolleys as well as plastic trolleys. And then when you enter a store, you also need to keep your bag. So here we have the baggage counter. After this, I'm going to show you the different segments that we cover. The first segment that I will take you around is our grocery segment. This is your regular wall rack. This can be used to keep all your daily essentials that you need. We also have a variety of different specialized items which we do in a combination of wood and metal. Here we have different kind of bins that can be used to keep your larger pulses or larger grocery items. We also have various impulse units that can be kept for your fast moving products. And we also have a metainer for your larger products. This is our dry fruits unit. Here you can not only keep dry fruits but keep any loose items. And here you have the same thing. We have different shapes and sizes for them. And we provide different stands, different heights, and this can be customized according to the customer's need. This is our sports section. Our sports section has been very particularly designed by our R&D team because it requires a lot of accessories. This is a regular wall rack, but you'll see majority of the rack has various different types of accessories that are used for different products. Here you have this for football, basketballs, you have for smaller balls. This can also be used for hanging various products. So your sports section is extremely specialized and we make sure that we design to cater to every product. we've also entered the finished goods range for Decathlon. This particular thing that you see, this is your basketball ring that we make for stores for Decathlon across the nation. This scooter that you see, I'm sure we've all played on this as children, and this is made at InStore. We make this for Decathlon as well. When you think about your home, aesthetics is the most important part of designing your home. So in our crockery section, we have a combination of wood and metal. Here you see this unit is specially designed for crockery or could be used for any home items. And similarly, this item that you see here has a combination of wood and metal. The metal gives the sturdiness, the durability, and the wood gives the aesthetic that we all want in our homes. When you enter wellness, I'm sure you must be wondering, where do they get this from? Well, they get it from us. This entire thing that you see is our pharmacy unit. Here you have your drawers which have slots for your medicines and other accessories. You have glass drawers, and we can also customize this and put LED strips on top. This particular unit that you see can also be used as an impulse unit because it has glass in front. So usually pharmacies will keep products that are fast selling. When a customer will come from there, they'll see everything through the glass and they'll pick it up. This is your billing counter will come here. And if I want to exit and don't want to go all the way from there, there's also a way to open this and go out. If you're an avid reader, you'll know exactly which store we're in. Yes, you're right, it's Crossword. I'm very happy to share that we have done more than 250 stores for Crossword, and let me show you exactly what we bring to the table. This unit is designed specifically for stationery items. This can be used to hang various items. Here we have data strips to display your prices. Here you can keep your books or any other products that you wish to. This can also be used for toys. Books can be displayed here, they can be kept open or shut. And this also gives a very clear picture of the book. So even if you're standing far away, this is designed in a way where this has no obstruction and your books can be easily displayed. Our multi-cut tube cutting machine is used to cut tubes or pipes into precise lengths and also allows us to cut multiple tubes at once. These machines can handle larger volumes, improving overall productivity. We also have a fiber laser cutting machine for sheets and tube cutting. It also has a speed of 10 meters per minute. This can cut tubes that are rectangular and round. Our multi-head resistance welding machine is used in manufacturing processes where multiple welding heads are employed to join different parts simultaneously. This setup for us is particularly useful in high volume production. The biggest advantage of this is precision and accuracy, increase in productivity, and also allows us to reduce our labor costs drastically. We have a robotic welding line from the make Yaskawa, which is a marvel in its industry. Our robotic welding machine integrates robotic technology with welding equipment to automate the welding process. These machines have a payload of 25 kg and a reach of 1.46 per meter. A significant highlight of our company is our commitment to diversity and inclusion. With Evolutionary, we are proud to be one of the largest employment generators for women in the retail fixtures manufacturing sector, with 50% of our workforce comprising women. This focus on empowering women has been central to our growth and success, bringing in diverse perspectives and innovative solutions. As part of our contribution to the Skill India mission, we actively invest in training and upskilling of our workforce, ensuring that they are always equipped with the latest industry knowledge and skills. This not only helps us enhance our productivity, but also contributes to the overall development of the manufacturing sector in India. Now that you've seen all the various segments that InStore offers, the next time you visit a hypermarket, DMart, Reliance or Star Bazaar, please be sure to check out the fixtures because they are brought to you by InStore.